Today, we remember Sayyid Ali Khamenei with respect. He spent many years of his life serving his country and standing by his beliefs. Through difficult times and big changes, he remained firm and dedicated to what he believed was right. From being a religious scholar to becoming a national leader, his journey was long and full of responsibility. Many people saw him as a symbol of strength, patience, and commitment. Leadership is never easy. It requires sacrifice, courage, and endurance. For decades, he carried that responsibility on his shoulders. No matter how history views different chapters, his influence and presence shaped an era that will not be forgotten. His efforts will always be remembered with dignity. His sacrifice will be written in history in golden words. Today we salute Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei for his leadership in guiding a nation, for his courage in facing challenges, for his belief in cultural and spiritual strength, and for his deep commitment to his vision. Respect and salute to his abilities and lasting dedication.